Is it time to buy or sell Zoomcar Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore Zoomcar Holdings in greater detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now, we are here to offer an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Zoomcar Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of 113.69% since we initially recommended purchasing Zoomcar Holdings 25 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.55% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's forthcoming direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 86.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 54.48% to 86.49%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 91.62%. The stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 98.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and 17.6 cents. Our latest daily update for Zoomcar Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Zoomcar Holdings Inc. Stock price on Thursday, moving between $9.62 and $18. The Zoomcar Holdings Inc. stock price gained 153.07% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from $4.07 to $10.30. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 87.11%, with a day low at $9.62 and a day high of $18. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 147.6% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 47 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 47 million shares changed hands for approximately $487,910,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $44, while the lowest price was 21.3 cents. Currently, the price is 76.59%, or $33.70, below the 52-week high, and 99.30%, or $1,464.70, below the all-time high on the 25th of October, 2023, when the price reached $1,475. Zoomcar Holdings, Inc., trading under the symbol ZCAR, has made several notable announcements that could significantly impact its stock price. On the 8th of April, 2025, the company launched prepaid vouchers, enhancing user retention and potentially increasing revenue, as repeat user bookings have already exceeded those from new customers. This initiative is likely to create a positive sentiment among investors, reflecting a shift towards a more sustainable business model. In a strategic move, Zoomcar appointed Uri Levine, co-founder of Waze, as chairman to spearhead growth in India, indicating a strong commitment to expanding its market presence. This leadership change may bolster investor confidence, suggesting that the company is poised for ambitious growth. Conversely, there are challenges. An investigation into the insolvency of Zoomcar reveals that the company has defaults on multiple debt obligations and faces repossession of vehicles, which casts a shadow over its financial health. Furthermore, a recent reverse stock split, where every 20 shares were consolidated into one, might initially create confusion or concern among investors regarding the company's share value. In the short term, the positive market innovations could lead to increased stock value, but the long-term outlook remains contingent on the company's ability to manage its debt and execute its growth strategy effectively. If Zoomcar can navigate these hurdles, it may establish a more stable and sustainable growth trajectory, positively influencing investor sentiment in the coming months. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to the stock of Zoomcar Holdings. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Zoomcar Holdings. The stock of ZCAR Holdings Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at levels of $4.76 and $3.43. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivotal bottom point on Thursday, March 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a remarkable rise of 4,133.46%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 133 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zoomcar Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.38 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 87.11%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 27.55%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Zoomcar Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to ongoing issues with profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zoomcar Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Additionally, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and only place bets if you are an experienced trader equipped to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Zoomcar Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of March, 2025, Levine Uri executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 18th of February, 2025, Levine Uri conducted an insider purchase of 14,078 shares of Series A warrants to purchase common stock. On the same day, Levine Uri also executed an insider purchase of 38,462 shares of Series B warrants to purchase common stock. On the 6th of January, 2025, Singh Shachi performed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 24th of December, 2024, Nishijima Hiroshi conducted an insider purchase of 32,052 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 16 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 95.742. Overall, insiders purchased 1,866,934 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 16 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.96, reflecting a decline of 3.28%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 29 days ago. Is Zoomcar Holdings stock a good buy? ZCAR Holdings Incorporated displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding onto or accumulating more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that ZCAR Holdings will open higher by $2.34, starting trading at $12.64. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.